Hi again, I'm Sandra and I'm making another aphasia friendly short yoga practice. As always, start with your dominant hand when we're making any movement. With the other hand, even if you can move your hand just a few millimeters, that's fine, or if you have a carer available to help lift and lower your arm when needed, that's fine as well. As always, we can do this practice sitting, or we can do it standing as well. In this one, we're going to be making some simple sounds to help with our journey. If you're unable to make the sounds, perhaps you can make the movements with your lips and probably picture mentally making the sound as you go. So when you're ready, if you like to, you're welcome to close your eyes, or if you prefer to focus on a spot on the floor in front of you, please do so. Once again, we're going to focus on our breathing. Seeing if we can make our breath smooth. Noticing each part of our breath, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. This time as we're breathing out, I'd like us to open our mouths if we can and make an ah sound as we're breathing out. Ah. Breathing in. Ah. Breathing in. As we breathe out. Then we can bring some movement into the practice to go along with our breath, remembering again to start with our more dominant hand and then we can move to the weaker side. This time when we breathe in, we'll bring our hand to our chin. So breathing in, hand to our chin. As we breathe out, saying ah, ah, letting the hand come back down to the knee. One more here, breathing in, hand to chin. Ah. Next, the hand will come to our nose. Breathing in. Ah. Breathing in. Ah. This time, our hand to our forehead. Breathing in. Breathing out. Ah. Breathing. Ah. Now onto the other side again. Remember, if you can only move your fingers a few millimeters, that's fine. Or if you have a carer to help move your hand, just do the best you can. Keeping a mental image of what's happening and how you think it might feel if you need to. Breathing in, hand to chin. Breathing out, ah. Hand to chin. Ah. Hand to nose. Breathing in. Ah. Breathe in. Ah. To the forehead now. Breathing in. Ah. Now we'll do a seated twist, or standing if you're standing. When we inhale, our arm will come out to the side, reaching behind you. As we breathe out, a hand will come across, reaching over the opposite shoulder. Breathing in, chest open. Breathing out, hand to the opposite shoulder. Breathing in. Exhale. Last two. On an exhale, we'll say E. 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 And back to the knee. Same on the other side. Inhale, perhaps with the help of a carer, or just small movements at the start is perfectly fine. Breathing out, coming across the opposite shoulder. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. For the last two, we'll say E when we breathe out. E. E. Letting the hand come back to the left. Again, we'll do a gentle counter pose. Breathe in, both arms coming out to the side. Breathing out, gentle forward fold. Inhale, arms to the side, palms up. Exhale. Inhale, sitting up. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Coming back to your central position. Doing a little bit of breathing. Again, making our breath nice and smooth, not forced in any way. This time we'll do 3 breaths, and on an exhale we'll say Ah, and then 3 breaths, exhale, E. Smooth inhale, breathe out, Ah. Inhale, Ah. Inhale, Ah. 3 breaths, E. So you can either make the noise or you can listen and picture yourself making the same noise. Picture how your lips would move, what position they would be in. E. Breathing in. E. Breathing in. E. Perfect. And then we'll stay for a bit of meditation, making sure we're comfortable. returning to your natural breath. And when you're ready, like we did at the start of the class, bring your attention to your chin. Try, keep your attention there. Notice any sensations. Perhaps it might be tingling or growing warm. And bring your attention now to your nose. Keeping your attention at your nose. Noticing any sensations there. And once again, bring your attention to the top of your forehead. Can you have a clear image of what that looks like in your mind? Keeping your attention there. And when you're ready to come out of meditation, take a few longer breaths. Perhaps you might like to make some small movements with your hands or your feet. Only when you're ready, opening your eyes. Thank you.